Hello there, beautiful people. I warmly welcome to you all to my online OCR free app. Let me give you a brief demo of what it does and how it does. So, first of all, you can change the theme as you want. Then you can choose one or multiple pictures. Let me select two. Then I click next. Then you can select models. Google Vision was one is the fastest, but you can also use AI for if you need. Then you click next. You see the settings, and you click to dashboard. If you want, you can remove a picture if which you mistakenly added. If you want, you can rotate the picture to let the OCR know that this picture was not aligned orientationally. See, it has completed the OCR. If you want, you can also tell the app that this picture has a split. Let's start again. See, much better this time. If you want, you can also export. This correction will be included if there is some correction added. Let's say I made some space there. Then I click export. There are numerous ways I can export. For me, for now, I'm selecting the text format. This, see, our changes has been exported as well. So if we want to um, OCR multiple PDFs, that's also an option. And you see, if we don't want to OCR the cover pages, let's say we don't want the first three pages. So what we would be doing, we would be telling that start from always three and skip the first two. And we are saving it. Do you want to save it only on this PDF or all the uploaded PDFs or images? So apply to all. Then we do the OCR. So OCR has been completed. I can choose any of the PDF I want. Then I can click pictures and see if the OCR was done correctly. One thing we see that this time the system took a lot of time. What we can do in such cases, let me show you. So if I restart, if we were already comfortable with with our dashboard and you don't need these onboarding steps, then you can do click tick mark, don't show this onboarding again. From now on, if we refresh, we will directly start seeing the dashboard. So do it only if you are comfortable. Once you get comfortable, apply to all PDF. This time what we would be doing is we will tell the AI, tell the app that there you can do concurrently if you want. So this time the time should be reduced as multiple pages are being OCR parallelly. See, the time has been reduced and we can see that the pictures are getting OCR'd. Okay, great. Now let me show you the Google Vision OCR. Sometimes for your complex problems, the free tesseract just doesn't work. So in that case, you need to click the Google Vision API and you need to provide an API. There's a good thing that if you sign up into Google for free, you will get a $300 credit for free here. With that credit, you can scan nearly 200,000 pages. So to do that, what you need to do is simple. Go to Google, select a project, and on that project, search Cloud Vision API, click on it, and make sure that you enable that API. So in one of my project, I have already enabled it, and then what you need to do is search for credentials. So once it's enabled, go to credentials. You would create a key from here, API key. I'll name it as OCR Vision. Make sure you restrict the key to only Vision. So I'll create. I'll copy that API key. I'll paste it here, and then I'll start the OCR. So it's have selected Google Vision OCR. So that's how Google Vision OCR could help you. If you think your work is done, you can literally delete the newly created API key after that.